Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Technical Mindset. Today I am going to replace my old Kingston 4GB DDR3 a low voltage PCL RAM with my new Samsung DDR3 16GB RAM, and it is basically a low voltage PC3L RAM. I have ordered it from a local market, so I am going to install these two RAMs in my PC. So let's start. First of all, you have to power off your system, which I have already done. Secondly, we have to remove the battery, and here we go. The third step is that we again have to switch the power button so that we eliminate the static charge which is stored in the electrical components. So at least 2 times you have to press the power button, and then we'll go to fourth step. The fourth step is that we have to locate the RAM area. Where is the RAM located on your PC? In my case, this is AH532 Fujitsu Livebook series, and in this PC the RAM is located in the lower middle portion on the back side. So I have to remove this cover. You can also locate the RAM area on your PC by going through the PC manual. So let's start. We have to remove this cover. So you can see that here is the RAM slot area, and currently it is installed with the one 4GB SODIMM standard voltage RAM, and I will replace this RAM with my two 16GB RAMs. So I have to remove this RAM, and for this you need to pull the side clips of the RAM in outward direction like this. You can see the RAM just popped up, and finally you have to pull it straight out like this. So you have removed your old RAM, and now I will install my new two 8GB RAMs. As you can see that my PC has two RAM slots and they are overlapping each other. In some laptops there are 4 slots, but usually there are 2 slots. So we will go for the installation of RAM. For the installation, the most important step is that you have to align this space with the ridge available on your slot. So there is a ridge available in the slot, so I will keep this area exactly above the ridge available on the RAM slot. First I will insert the bottom one, and then I will install the upper one. I will pull this straight inside like this, and just I have to press it down like this. It is locked. Now I will insert the second one, and again I will align this space with the ridge available on the RAM slot. That is done, and now I will push this RAM into the slot, and again I will press it down and it will lock. As you can see, both of my RAMs are now installed, and I will place the cover back, and let's do it. You have to be very careful while removing and placing the cover back, because this is the most sensitive part of your laptop. Tight the screw, and done. Now I will place the battery, and done. This is the lock of the battery, and it is done. Now you are good to power on your system, and there it is. So here you go. and this is my computer. I will go to properties, and in the properties you can see the RAM, that is 16 GB installed and 15.9 GB usable. So you can see that I have successfully installed the RAM. And please do like, share and subscribe my channel for the further videos. Take care. Bye bye.